Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to set up a branch and item group wise closing stock value limit for purchase orders (PO) in Logic ERP. To begin, go to the Setup module from the main menu, then navigate to Party-wise settings and open the Setup Branch plus Item Group-wise Closing Stock Value Limit for PO window. Select whether you want to define the limit for purchase order, purchase, or challan. After this, choose from where you want the system to pick the rates, either lot rates or item rates, and then select the rate as option as per your requirement. Choose the item group level as well. Next, choose the required branch and item group. Enter the limit value and click on Save to apply the changes. You can review the saved details in entry mode. Additionally, you can also import these settings using an Excel sheet by clicking on Retrieve from Excel option. From the Help button, you can check the required columns. Browse and select the file from your device. After that, click on Refresh. Once the details are imported, click on Save to store them successfully. Now, move to the Purchase Order window. Before creating a new order entry, open the Configuration window and go to Other Settings. Enable the option labeled Check Closing Stock Limit for PO by ticking the checkbox, then save the changes. After that, click on New Order. Enter the item that belongs to the item category for which the limit was defined. You can check the closing stock value by reviewing the stock query. Here, the system shows the current closing stock value. Along with this, you can also review the pending purchase order value under the Pending Purchase Orders report. Now, go back to the Purchase Order window. If the total PO value, when combined with the existing stock value, exceeds the defined limit, then at the time of saving the purchase order, the system will automatically display a prompt stating that the purchase order value is exceeding the defined closing stock value limit. In a similar way, you can apply this validation check in both purchase or purchase challan. Simply select the branch name and item group for which the limit needs to be defined. Additionally, you can also select the linked branch if required. After that, enter the limit value and specify the date range. Once all the details are defined, save the changes. Now, let's proceed to the Purchase Challan or Purchase Voucher window. Open the Configuration window and under the Other Settings one, make sure to enable the option Check Closing Stock Value for Purchase. After enabling this setting, save the changes and click on New Bill to initiate a new entry. While saving the voucher, the software will automatically generate a prompt if the closing stock value for purchase exceeds the defined limit.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.